Committed to being an agriculture solver and adhering to the customer-first model, AnJarl is your best partner on your agriculture journey. Production technology is our core. Strong industry experience and sustainable management, we grow together with our clients. For more than 40 years, AnJarl has been a leader in the manufacturing of agriculture materials in Taiwan. We always help clients to stay ahead of many challenges in agriculture technology development. Provide diversified and professional products or customized to meet user needs. Our products are sold all over the world, durable and affordable, satisfactory, and have a high market share in many countries, especially in areas where agriculture is developing. Taiwan, Japan, China, America, India, Vietnam, Indonesia, Thailand, Cambodia, and other major markets. We produce many items, and our brand, Dear Dear, is very famous in Asia. This is one of our main products, Dear Dear sprinkler hose. You can call it rain pipe or spray irrigation tube. It is an economical, fast, and easy install irrigation materials in the world. This is slide gate irrigation pipe. It is simple and convenient method that solves the shortcomings of conventional flow and flue irrigation, suitable for large area of sugarcane and rice fields. In irrigation products, we not only produce irrigation tube, but also produce drip tape, sprinkler, seep sucker hose, Fogger jet, and automatic irrigation systems. Additionally, we make plastic mulch film, accessory for greenhouse, net house, seeding nursery, spray pesticide, gardening, and other different kinds of materials. All of them are made in Taiwan. We provide services with agri-innovative technology applications, creating new products and services to fit consumer needs. Stand with our customer and keep up with pace of the world. We are vigilant about quality and adding real value, dedicated to causes of better harvest and sustainability in agriculture, advancing market activities, reducing global energy consumption. AnJarl strive into the future. In the development of agriculture, we will show our value and contribution in the world. Thank you.